Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sush Beauty. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can do facial at home step by step, and the product I'm gonna use for this facial is this Himalaya facial kit, and it's also a teenager friendly, and it is like a Himalaya. I guess everyone uses Himalaya's product and their products are really good and great. I also use their face washes, face masks and scrubs, and they are really very good. So in today's video, I'm just gonna show you guys. So without any blubbering, let's just start. So before starting our facial thing, let me just put my hair at the back. And if you guys are wondering why I have done so much makeup and that I'm gonna just do a facial thing, so it's just because I just filmed an IGTV. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, do follow me on Instagram, because I stay more active over there, so you guys can know what's going on in my life. And yes, that's all. So first I have to remove my makeup, so let me just remove that. Okay, so the first step in this facial kit is to wash your face. So I'm gonna use this Himalaya face wash. You don't really need much of it, just a little bit. My face, and the next step which we have to do is to use this milk cleanser to double cleanse our face. So I'm just gonna use this now. And yes, do let me know guys if you want me to make a homemade DIY facial. I can do it for you guys. Just a little bit. I'm gonna use this face scrub because by mistake I took out the face mask. So I'm just gently massaging it. So I'm done with the scrubbing thing, and now I have to use this toner from the Himalaya only. So I just use it. One thing which I like the most about these products are they smells really great, and not something like that you will feel irritated or something, but this smells in such a way like you will feel fresh and you will love the fragrance definitely. Use this face pack, and I keep the face pack here only so that I can use this. Okay. So I just have to keep this face pack for 15 minutes. So guys, now my pack was dry and I washed my face. So now it's time to use this moisturizer. You really need very little amount of this, and let me just show you guys how quickly this moisturizer gets absorbed in your skin, and it makes your face look more fresh and make your face look totally matte and fresh and glowing at the same time. So I just love this moisturizer, and it's really very inexpensive and it's a good moisturizer, definitely for the summer time. You don't really have to be worried about your face getting greasy, oily or anything. It just makes your face look so matte and fresh and glowing. So yeah, if you guys want, you can definitely check this moisturizer out, and I'm done. Literally, it just makes your face look so glowing and so matte. So I just love this moisturizer a lot, and you can clearly see how much difference this kit has made on my face. After using it, my face is look so glowing. So yes, that's it for today guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.